Friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have two amazing things. One is a trick and one is an application for WhatsApp user, and I'm sure you will surely like it. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now the first trick which I have with this trick, you can able to come to know to whom you have talk or chat a lot. Like the person to whom you are chatting a lot, you can easily come to know. However, there is no setting or any application which can help you to do that, but I have a trick. You can simply just go to your WhatsApp, and in your WhatsApp you have to click on this three lines on the right side of the top, click on this setting, and here you have to click on this storage and data, and in data you have to click on this manage storage. When you click on this one, you will be getting the storage and the name of the people to whom you chat a lot. You can see this one, these are the name which are coming in there to whom I chatted a lot, and here is the data which I have consumed with them. See this, that's 948, 958, 260. However, this data includes the photos and the videos which you have shared with each other, but this data also indicate you that you have chatted a lot with the first person, and then the second, and then the third, and this is how you can easily come to know to whom you have chatted a lot and you have exchanged the photos and videos a lot. So this is a trick which you can try on your WhatsApp as well to know to whom you are chatting a lot. So try this one in your WhatsApp as well and do let me know. Now let's talk about the second application, and the application which I have, that is TextPan Text Expander. Yes, that is also very useful for WhatsApp user. If you also use WhatsApp, you must try this one. Simply just open it and it will be open up like this. Let me show you how this will exactly work on your WhatsApp. Simply just go to your WhatsApp, and on your WhatsApp you have to type here anything, like I'm typing it here CC, and you can see this one, something automatically comes on my screen which I can click and I can able to send it to anyone. See this, there are so many words I have sent it to my friend, but I did not type it. So in this application help you to do that. What exactly you need to do, you just have to click on this plus sign, and then you have to click on this phrase, and then you have to type any shortcut. Let's suppose if I type here CS, and then I have to type anything in this phrase, anything I can type, it doesn't matter how long it is. I'm just gonna paste something here like this, and then I come out of this one. See this, I'm out of this one. Now if I go back to my WhatsApp and try to type here the same shortcut word which is CS, I will be getting everything. So this application basically help us create some shortcut. So the words which we normally send again and again to our friends, we can able to create the shortcut on this application and send them very easily just by typing the shortcut to your friends. So this is also very useful application for WhatsApp user. You must try this one. So these are the two things I have right now for you. I hope you like both of them. Link of this application I have already put in the description. Check it from there. Any questions, simply comment below. We will surely get back to you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.